Hey guys, so you might have seen my previous what I eat in a day that I've recently made, and I explained how I made another one, and I might make more. But while I was filming the intro for the other one, I just decided I'd film the intro for this one too. So I'm not going to explain everything I did in the last one because you can just go and watch that. So yeah, have a look at the other what I ate in a day because I answered questions at the start of that. But otherwise, this is just another idea of some of the things I have in a day when I'm at uni and the type of foods that I eat. So yeah, hope you enjoy.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, in my bed.
Got some brown rice, heaps of veggies, leftover lentil, chickpea, bean dal. These beans, yes, I bit into that carrot. A boiled egg, a little bit of avocado.
5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Wide awake is the way yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be
Peep Riverdale. Standard popcorn, I just popped in a pan at home. A medjool date with some natural peanut butter and some nuts and birdseed cracker my mum made.
looking at us.